Today, I'll show you exactly how horse leather is made, from carefully prepared hides to finished leather, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory videos like this. Classify these by size and quality.
The hides are carefully cleaned and prepared before tanning. Controlled processing removes unwanted residues and prepares the natural fibers for the next stage.
Temperature is stable at 35. Drum 4 is ready for the next cycle. Increasing the rotation speed now. Every batch is carefully processed and tested to achieve the required leather quality.
Every piece is carefully inspected before leaving the facility to ensure it meets strict quality standards.
And that's how horse leather is made. From carefully prepared hides to finished leather, from start to finish.